Now, with the information that we gather from museum specimens, we can reconstruct how this process works in different species and how we connect that to this, what they do in nature, which is so quick that we need high-speed cameras to be triggered automatically. And this is a design that we had to do because there weren't commercial high-speed cameras available to trap the action when the hummingbird goes to the feeder. We developed these by training hummingbirds to come to artificial feeders that we modified to see how they drink, such as this one. And finally, you can obtain videos such as this one, which is already slowed down, but you can see how the nectar is being collected. And when you do the analysis frame by frame, you can actually understand how they are able to deplete the pool of nectar in less than a second.
Want to know more about this topic? Burke Museum members and donors get access to our entire curated Conversations and Cocktails video series. Memberships start at just $60, and they provide critical support in helping us connect our mission to the community. Please visit burkemuseum.org/join to sign up today.